hope you're having a beautiful day. It is state bowling for my daughter, and I'm going to make her a shirt. I am still working with that amazing specialty materials that I got. She picked out the green shirt. We are going to place this in her name on the back, and she chose this gorgeous red for the bowling pins on the front. Let's see how it goes. Clean your blade. I keep that tin foil. I clean my blade all the time. How beautifully these materials cut. I just use glitter iron-on setting for this one. I'll just use regular everyday iron-on setting for the other. My kids are older, so I get really excited when they let me make them stuff. How about you? Who do you like to make stuff for? I can almost get it to where you can see it. It's awesome. And again, today I had to make it 11 inches wide so it would fit across on the cutting mat. So 11.5 is what it told me was still getting an error and turning it. 11.0, it stopped and it went all the way across to save materials. Look how easy this is to weed, y'all. Oh my gosh. I've never weeded anything this easily. I still gotta get the faces out and the little pins, but I mean, come on. That was ridiculously easy. Let's see what it's like. I thought this one might be more difficult because of that foil, you know, but look at this. And again, I just used the glitter setting on the Cricut for the glitter and everyday iron-on for this one. I'm just so blessed. Thank you, Betsy. All right, once again, we are working with our famous $3.98 shirts from Walmart. My daughter picked the shirt. She picked the images that I provided her to choose from. She picked the text. She picked the vinyl. All I have to do is put it together. I'm so happy this morning, and I hope you're having a great day too. sheet on when you're going to do the front and the back. Protect your materials at all costs. So I'm leaving the cover sheet on, and I'm just going to turn the shirt over and I'm going to put her name on the back. When you do the back, the front collar on a scoop neck or a V-neck or any kind of shirt is going to mess with the back. I am going to use that along with the lines we made under the arms to line up and stick my vinyl right under that, so that way it's straight across her back. I'll give them both one just more press to be safe. I got the mini press in case anything lifts when I'm peeling. And I'll show you the final result, y'all. It can be done. I started at 11 and it is 12:14. Okay, so I peeled the front. And like I said before, we gotta protect our materials at all costs. I'm gonna hit the back again and I'll peel, but I'm gonna put the heat pad inside the shirt. Keep that heat away from the vinyl I've peeled. Just a couple of spots that are lifting, so I am going to hit them with the mini press. Let's go to state, guys.